Yes, so welcome back. Big up to all of my viewers and subscribers. What go on, my people? Yeah, I'm from on the city thumbnail and the title. Then you already know what is on the agenda today. So consider to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Also, give this video a like. Yeah, man, just like up the video now. Yeah, and also share up the content so that others can be in the know. But to know how we do it thing over here. You see me? We just going to jump in at the intro fast and come right back to the video. So don't go nowhere. We soon forward.
Coulda never forget where me come from. No matter what me do, me a born Jamaican.
So now people, we have Nadine Francis here. You see me I say, and Nadine Francis is the female who did video the other crab vendor do up the place which was she has said in EXP circle. You see me I say people, and basically Nadine come out right now and she a ball and a beg out for help from social media and from everybody. You see me I say, because she has said basically her life is being threatened. You see me I say, and yeah, she get daily threats every day and she very concerned about it. You see me I say, and you know that recently Nadine video Alice. You see me I say, which is two crab vendor, you see me I say, and basically enough people I say at the end of the day say, yo, Nadine shouldn't do that because at the end of the day that come like bad mind because the whole of them are work there and it will stop food for the whole of them and be a thing. You see me I say people, but Nadine also come out right now and Nadine explain say, yo, this thing it a go on too long now, you see me I say, and Alice did also say at the only time that ever happened to her in her life and at the only time she ever do that and be a thing, you see me I say, and Nadine come clear and I show videos and be a thing people and I show say at the end of the day this is not the first time, you see me I say, Nadine Evo I say yo, as she them did a blame feet, you see me I say, and she not take no blame for nobody because at the end of the day she confront Alice about it already, you see me, and it's like the woman no care, you see me I say. So for all of the people them where I say yo, a bad mind this lady, bad mind the other lady make she video her and be a thing, that is nonsense, you see me I say, because at the end of the day nobody now go take blame for something where them now do. And me I tell you this point blank and period, you can't deal with people food and I do them thing there at the same time. You do it in the same bucket where you understand I go to the same bucket she'll carry all the crab in to same speed. You see me? I've even heard Rebel say yo, enough time she used to go buy crab from this woman and be a thing. You see me I say, and enough time the woman even give her a bucket say, yo, eat the crab pan and be a thing. You understand what I mean, people? And this thing seems like a long time it go on. You see me I say, really and truly me not bash nobody people. You see me I say, but me I don't know nastiness and nastiness, and that is total nastiness. And that's why you say at the end of the day, it no good for eat from any and anybody people. Make sure you know who not eat from. Because basically EXP circle is a place where almost everybody go eat them crab. You see me? Everybody from all sector life people. You see me I say? But right now I have the video for show you. I want to drop on honest opinion down into the comment section on this situation. Yeah, and make me know what you really think about it. You see me I say? Make me know if you think say at the end of the day bad mind Nadine, bad mind Alice, or at the end of the day the woman just show her up. Because to me, in my own opinion people, yeah, basically this woman is a hero. You see me I say? Because me who don't want to know say yo, me I buy from somebody where a shit in the same place where them a deal with the food. You understand what I mean? So as what I said before people, just drop on honest thoughts in the comment section, yeah, and make me know what you think about all of this. So check out the video.
And them a say me can, oh me not can't come out the back himself. Eh? Wanna trouble me? Wanna pint out my crab and my can them not good. And my mother said the foundation there. How them gonna put on my uniform? How them gonna put on my uniform? If me can't say that, I'm supposed to out there, I'm prepare for this. Me prepare for it. Because I know that the government has shut down. Me did not gonna get shut down because I'm a part of the system. You understand? Me want to talk to the mayor. Me want to talk to the mayor. Me go a while ago, me come from them office and them say me cannot see him. Because me afraid to come out because my life has been threatened. Social media! Who the hell me? Me wrong for release the video. Me know me not wrong for release the video. Me not wrong for release the video. And me a threat me again. Be a threat.
I mean, just set me up. So I buy a hot beer and drink with some salt. And by me to reach to the bathroom, I start feeling. And then I take off my clothes and go down on my knees and wipe up myself and come back up.
You've never been in a situation where it come down on you and you have to just do it inside.
My brother, first.
Oh?
First it happened first.
Yeah, a regular practice. Or toilet. Look. This are the video when she. This is a white clothes, right? This is a different one at the same spot. At the same spot. You see it? This is our. What color this? This is a different color. This is a different color. A green top and a tie. This is a different color. At the same spot. At the same spot. So I lie that? That could have been a lie?
Have you ever said anything to her about it, her practice?
Majority of the time, me I say, mind the shop. Like, if you come over for you. And by the stalking, it's not going nowhere. It not going nowhere. It not going nowhere. So told me to blame a come on me and me. So me not take no blame for nobody.
So basically, people, after hearing all of this, tell me what you really think down into the comment section. You see me I say, because basically Miss Nadine is saying, say at the end of the day, she wonder if she wrong for post the video or not. You see me I say, people, and in my own personal opinion, yeah, basically she not wrong. You see me I say, because the people them need to know if them thing are really a go on. You see me I say, because a lot of people, even international, even white people, black people, all kind of people, Japanese, Chinese, every kind of people, go down a Euro Square, go buy them crab. You see me? So the people them did need to know all of these people. You see me I say, but share phone opinion and make me know what you think about all of this. You see me I say, and at the end of the day, in another interview, yeah, basically you have Alice as they say, yo, there is no bathroom at the facility, and them think the government would have put in bathroom and then make them the vendor PFA really get it clean and so forth. You see me I say, so she explain all of that, and she and the other vendors them I say Nadine bad mind and baiting. You see me I say, and basically why them I say that, them I say at the end of the day, Miss Alice get all of the customer them, you see me, because Miss Alice is kind of like a foundation. You see me I say, people, and basically them I say, yo, at the end of the day, Nadine bad mind Alice for why she exposed the video. You see me? But as what I said before, in my personal opinion, me just know say, yo, the woman exposed the video because she tired of it, and she people are blame say she do them thing there. You see me I say, people, but here I'm gonna show them the video with the interview here. Yeah, I want to check it out and tell me what you think about it down into the comment section.
So me check said them I could build restroom somewhere up there. So I will rent some bathroom and make we pay. People become clean it up. Yeah, there is no restroom. When I want people, sometimes we never can reach down at my 5 family. We have to run over the bush. So when they were building it, we asked them, say, where's the bathroom? Can you see it? This party? He jumped them there with the water. We think it was bathroom because after them are building. And we said it's not a bathroom. It's too jump, but that's if we wash our hand and we can use the water. Water done out tight and nobody come and fix it back.
Since the video got out and became viral, what's the impact like on sales?
It's still a go on. It still was going on. Cause yesterday some foreigner come and she too bad man a kill her.
But now they have shut down the
yeah.
What is it that they're going to do now?
The gentleman said them are call a meeting until we come back.
And in the meantime, what are you going to do for yourself? You rely on this for your livelihood. What are you
doing? Come back and do the same thing. Me not give problem, me not do you know that.
And you've been here for how long?
Well, if people can't call me brother, well if I hear.
Do you have kids? You say,
yeah. My kids them right now, one of my kids they're home. She just graduated from school and they're home.
So you plan to provide for them now that you don't have?
I don't know, I still can't do them. If you show my partner, every day I show $6,000 for my partner. And I pay a loan, $3,500 for loan. And this girl bad mind, she bad mind me, you know. But me I tell her, she can't stop me. No time.
So they're saying that if you guys get the facilities in order, food handlers permit and
I have a food handlers. I always have my food handlers. I have my friend them up there. I always have my food handlers.
So you're willing to go to the training and work with the authorities to get it open back up?
Yeah. That gentleman said I call a meeting. That will go back up. My sister worldwide something you know. Me there all over and if you go to the airport, you see my picture put up in the airport.
So how do you feel now that video is
money all of them but you see out there so. And every foreigner come, I just me them come too.
Yes, so now people, we have come to the end of the video. You see me I say, so as what I said before, just drop on honest thoughts on this situation, what you see in the video people. Yeah, down into the comment section and make me know what you really think about all of this. You see me I say, yeah man, share on the thoughts man, make we discuss it down into the comment section. Also consider to give this video a like. You see me I say, also consider to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Yeah, and also share up the content so that others can be in the know. But you already know how we do the thing over here people. Peace, love, unity, bless up every day, every time. I'm out.